This right here is my 2005 Saab 92X, and like almost every other Saab 92X in the world, actually just America since they were only USDM. But anyway, the badges have faded into oblivion. The front is already halfway done since the badge is pretty much totally fallen off. Now the most important part is to remove all the trace residue of the old glue from the last batch, obviously. The cleaner the surface, the better the adhesion will be. There are plenty of ways to remove glue, but I was in a rush and I did not plan this out too well, so I used Windex and carburetor cleaner. I'm pretty sure that this might and probably will damage the paint to some degree, and I wouldn't recommend that you do this, but you know, I was in a rush for no particular reason. I'm not really too sure why, but the badge itself is split into two pieces, one being the plastic backplate that actually attaches to the vehicle, and the other being the actual logo itself. Step 1 is to line the plastic prongs on the back of the badge with the actual vehicle itself. Once it's stuck on all the way, simply press it on for a few seconds. The second part is the hardest part, and I suck at aligning stuff up, so it's really hard for me. Make sure that it's straight. Find some way to make sure that it's at least straight. So after carefully aligning it, it turns out that I did get it straight, which is very impressive for me, considering I can't even draw a straight line. I gotta say that just adding the badge really changes the whole look of the car. It looks a lot less raggedy. Now onwards to the back, and unlike the front, the back actually has a badge on it, and you can see little marks on the bottom of the badge where the previous owner did try to remove it and sort of succeeded, but mostly just damaged the plastic around it. But on the bright side, it should make it easier for me to pull it off. What I'm going to be using is a plastic trim removal tool. What I did is I carefully wedged it in between the badge and the body panel and just worked it around until I can get the badge off. Next step is remove the excess glue. I got creative with this one. One thing to note, unlike the front badge, this badge can actually go on either way. It looks to be flippable. So what I just ended up doing was lining up the actual word Saab so it's the right way around. And then just stick it in there. I also made sure to line up the bigger hole with the big hole and little hole with the little prong and all that kind of stuff. But success, it came out looking pretty good on this side too. If you like this video, hit like. If you want to see some more, hit subscribe and do whatever else you do on the internet. So have a good one, guys.